I hope you guys like bad mouth sounds, because I've got a cup of actual cream over here that I'm drinking. So I'm gonna be nice and phlegmy for you guys. I'm gonna make a repeating pattern. Do I remember how to make a repeating pattern? No, but I am gonna make one. I'm also gonna mess around with vectors, despite not knowing what they do, actually. You know what? I've decided I have no idea how vectors work. So we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I like that swirl. That's a good swirl. Let's see if I mess it up by adding petals. There's only one Adobe product that I believe is worth the money, and that is Illustrator, because it makes specifically these types of designs very easy. If you do art fast enough, the mistakes don't have time to catch up with you. And that's my art philosophy. Does this look like a rose? I don't think so. It's rose adjacent, and that's good enough for me. I know there's some of you who use this program regularly who are yelling at me to use the curved line tool. I say, hey, I also use this program regularly. I've been using it for 4 years. I refuse to use anything other than the G Pen tool. It is the only tool I will ever use. Loyalty is a virtue. Don't at me. To me, does this look like the Oran High School Host Club icon? It might be me. I haven't seen that icon in at least, I don't know, 6 years. Does it even have an icon? Is it a rose? I remember roses being in the anime. At some point there's a guy holding a rose. I distinctly remember seeing a guy holding a rose once. That's all I remember from this anime. Kids these days don't know what it's like back when the only animes that had official English translations was Naruto, One Piece, and Oran High School Host Club. You guys like that public domain music? I'm listening to real music right now, but you can't hear it because YouTube would be mean to me if you could hear it. Should I have done this all in one layer? No. Did I? Yes. I'm gonna drink some more cream right now. Very excited to see how the Live 2D model handled that. This is a new model, actually, that I just got. I know you're thinking, that doesn't match your username at all. What's this branding like? To which I say, I don't know, I had a viral video, and now I'm here. I didn't plan for this. Shove off. Don't shove off, actually. I like attention. I forgot what it was. I drew a really nice rose, but I don't think that was my initial. Oh! I was making a repeat pattern. Let's duplicate you, so I can lock the original and not mess it up. Alright, I want this to be the main piece, so when it repeats, I actually want it to be in the corners, so that way it's a diagonal piece when it's a repeating pattern. Alright, so what is going on here is now I have it set to where if I make this a repeating pattern, it's just going to be this one rose that looks like this, repeating horizontally. However, I could have also gotten that without cutting it in half, but I want it to be vertically, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut both of these in half now. This takes so long. That's okay, it gives me more time to drink cream. See, the good thing is that I'm hard of hearing. I actually don't have to hear my mouth noises. You guys do. So now our end product is going to look a little something like this, and if I did it right, it should repeat with the rose having a diagonal pattern. Alright, and this is what we'll be looking at as a repeating pattern. Is see it goes diagonally. Wait a minute, I haven't done anything, have I? You know what, I don't remember how repeating patterns look, but you know what? I'm gonna make a good repeating pattern. I literally could have just drawn a rose. It's actually a bit big. I wish I had made it smaller, so that way I could fit stuff in between them. Oh well, that's not gonna happen now, so now I'm just gonna draw some accents between the roses. Let's see how this looks. I actually think that's slightly too busy. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make the orbs a little smaller, and I'm gonna get rid of the little tension bits. I don't really care for that much either. The original disc looked better. Hold on, I want to test something. See what it looks like with swirls. Bad. Hearts looks good. Let's do hearts. Okay. Huh. I'm having trouble. I can draw hearts. You guys are just gonna have to trust me that I can draw them. One's on my head. Alright, I got the two side ones. I have a duplicated version of the heart, and I'm gonna be fancy. I'm actually going to invert this one. Okay, hopefully 4th time is a charm. I sure made a lot of layers for this. That took a lot longer than I thought it would. I don't know how long it took. It felt like at least 30 minutes. I finished the cup of cream. I also finished this. This is what the actual tile looks like. This is what it looks like when it's 16 tiles right up against each other. And this one is 32 tiles. Of course, if you wanted to, you could repeat it further, but that's all I'm going to repeat it. And I'll have all of these up, the regular tile, the 16 tile, and the 32 tile bit, for Creative Commons, which means you don't need permission to use it. You can put it on a fabric and sell it if you really wanted to. It's completely free for use, commercial and personal. And I'll see you in a couple of days.